As you can see, it is not an easy closed toilet seat, it is a good old solid toilet seat. But this bathroom needs a little tidying upgrade. To take off the old toilet seat, usually we only have to unscrew the bolts at the back of the toilet bowl. As I'm taking off the seat, I'd like to say a few words on the toilet in the video. A friend of mine asked me to prepare his apartment for Airbnb. The whole place was a total disaster. My first thought was that it needed a large-scale renovation. But as there were no means and no time for that, he asked me if I could at least clean it. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that sometimes a deep cleaning and minor repairs is enough. And indeed, after several days of scrubbing and DOAMS throughout the whole body, seriously, even my thighs were hurting. The whole flat acquired a brand new look. It was not filthy, at least. I recorded hours of useful tips on cleaning and organizing. Some of the videos are already on my channel. Here you can see the best way to clean the filthiest electric socket. Here you can find out about an easy way to clean an electrical kettle. And if you click here, you will find out how to stop your faucet from splashing around. Now taking off the seat and a little bit of cleaning. Oh, and in one of my next videos, I'll show you how to clean a toilet that has probably never been deep cleaned. It is this one. Let's see if the new seat fits. The cool thing about this seat is that its hinges are universal, which means you can probably attach it to any standard toilet bowl. But it's still better to double check if the size and more important the shape fits to your toilet bowl. As you can see, the mounting holes of the seat and the bowl don't match, but we'll fix it with the mounting hinges. Here are the mounting hinges. They have to be symmetrical. In this case, they are both directed symmetrically inwards. For those who find the seat is too far back, try swiveling the mounts so the poles are in front of the screws. And here are the mounting bolts with this washer of an interesting shape. That's what we need to mount the seat on the bowl. We put the rubber gasket under the mounting hinge, then pull the bolt through it. Here's how it looks on the Aldi seat. Then we pull on the washer and screw the nut on the bolt. To tighten the bolt, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. In the Aldi toilet seat, there is a plastic dowel, a washer, and the nut. We don't tighten the bolt all the way because here comes the hardest part. We put on the seat and try to align it with the toilet bowl, tightening and untightening the bolt. So put the toilet seat from above so that the hinges catch on the mounting holes so that the seat snaps. To take off the toilet seat, push hard the button and take off the seat. After several trials and tons of adjustments, which is similar on both the Lidl and the Aldi seats, I finally aligned the hinges with the holes with the toilet bowl. Oh no, it didn't snap. One more time all over again. This time it will work. It should be centered and aligned. Now aligned. Snap! Whoo! When everything is on its place, tighten the screws. Put the silver caps on the hinges. I didn't take off the coverings because I'll do it later. It will stay clean longer. Pretty. Now, coming to the Aldi seat. We have it at home. Its peculiarity is about these hooked buffers, which make the seat sturdier. Here they are. It's easy to take off, thus easy to clean the toilet seat. The construction of the hinges is the same as in the Lidl seat, except for the Lidl seat has a rubber washer that is under the mounting plate, and the Aldi seat has a metal washer that has its place in the mounting plate. And the bolts have different heads. For the Lidl seat, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and for the Aldi seat, a hexagonal screwdriver, which comes with the seat. When the poles are on and the screws are pulled through them, at the bottom we pull the plugs on, then the round washers, and finally the nut, with the help of a plastic wrench that comes with the seat. Tighten the screws with the screwdriver on top and the wrench on the bottom. Put the silver cap on. Put your seat on and enjoy. In the description of this video you can find a link on how to mount the hooked buffers on the Aldi toilet seat. Don't forget to push the thumbs up and subscribe buttons if you liked the video.